Is the guitar too hard to start playing from scratch? Hi, I'm Scott from Learn Beginner Guitar Online, and I'm going to show you one myth of what might be putting you off from starting to learn this wonderful instrument. Okay, so is the guitar too hard to start playing? Well, the short and easy answer is no. Now, as long as you learn things from the beginning and in the right order. So let me give you an example. What most people do when they first start learning is they'll learn chords, whether that be from books, teachers, online, but chords seems to be the thing that gets pushed to beginner guitarists. For me, that's a no-no. But what's the answer? Well, the answer is melodies. I'll get to melodies in a second, but if you think about chords for a second, here's me playing some chords. And you might think, well, yeah, they look easy, but they do for me because I've been playing for quite a long time. Cast my mind back 30 years when my dad started teaching me. He showed me chords. The first thing I ever did on a guitar was chords. I found them very hard. I had to go through, the hardship, if you will, of learning them, and your fingertips aching and things like that. So, back to melodies. Here's a short melody. Okay, so what's happening here is your brain can digest that. Fingers moving on that hand, this happening at the same time. A lot easier than having to put 3 or even 4 fingers down at once to play a chord. Okay, so playing a melody is much, much simpler. And after a bit of practice with melodies and you get a little bit more, dexterity in your fingers and your fingertips start hardening with the calluses, when it comes around to playing chords, they're a lot easier to play. So you'll get more of that instead of this. Okay, so the key takeaway from myth number 1 is it too hard to start playing guitar? The answer is no, but only if you start learning the right techniques right from the beginning. Okay, if you would like to see 6 of the myths to go along with this one, click here for the guide on what might be putting you off from starting to learn to play the guitar, including action steps to bust the biggest myth of all, and that is not being able to read music. Okay, hope you've enjoyed the video. Have a great day and we'll catch up soon.